Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your Tesla car using the app. So let's get started. So by default, you don't have to do anything when it comes to locking and unlocking your Tesla. When you have Bluetooth on, it's going to automatically unlock when you're getting close. And when you walk away, it's going to automatically lock it. But in a case that you do need to unlock and lock on the app, it's really easy. Let's go ahead and open up the app. There is a lock icon right here, very top here. You can simply click on it to unlock. As you can see here, the lock has been unlocked. And to lock it again, just simply tap on it again and it'll go ahead and lock your car. So if you're ever unsure if your Tesla locked or not, just come over to the app and you can see it. You can also tap on the car icon here for controls, and then you can also lock and unlock right here as well. So unlock and then lock as well. So that's how you can lock and unlock your Tesla. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Tesla. We'll see you guys next time.